Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open Mixer in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. We have two options. So yeah, let's start with the first one. So look at the control bar in the lower left corner, basically in the bottom of your corner. In the middle bottom you will see Mixer button, three vertical faders right here. So the mixer pane will slide up from the bottom. You can drag it to top boundary line up and down to change how much of the screen it covers. But right here you can also now adjust every channel separately, how you want it. So you can go from 0 to -60 if I see correctly right here. Now, the second option is if you want only to adjust the volume panning or plugins for one specific track without cluttering your screen, use the inspector instead. So, how we will do that? Select here on your timeline one of the so whatever you want to mix, and then again at the bottom here you can, if you press on pencil, you can see now it open up basically just this track, and you can now adjust here. So you have parameter right over here, and you can change it to volume, main, and so on. So now you can play a little bit. If you use here in the menu here at the top pencil, you can adjust these dots and then drive up and down in dB values and adjust how you prefer. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next